Today, I would like to read you a poem about this letter here, the letter Y. And it goes like this. Oh, hello there, Martians. Say, would you like to hear me read my poem about the letter Y? You like the letter Y? Oh, good. Here we go. A poem about the letter Y by Big Bird. That's me. It goes like this. All about the letter Y is what I'd like to tell. The letter Y comes first in words like yes and yawn and yell. It's also the first letter in some other words you hear, like yard and young and yesterday and yo-yo, yak and year. I'd like to think of one more word before my poem is up. Another word that starts with Y is...
Yup.
Right! Yup does start with Y.
Yup.
Yup.
Yup.